What's the meaning of cut price? Cut price. Cut price.
Cut price. Cut price. Cut price refers to a discounted or reduced price for a product or service. It is commonly used in advertising and promotions to attract customers who are looking for a bargain. The result of offering cut price products or services can be an increase in sales volume as customers are more likely to buy when prices are lower. However, it may also lead to a lower profit margin for the seller, and can potentially cheapen the brand image if overused. Therefore, businesses must carefully weigh the pros and cons before implementing cut price strategies.